Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your microphone in Discord app here. So if you don't know if your microphone is working or not, just go to any server here, and if I go to any voice connected channel here, as you can see, if I talking here, the icon becomes green here. That means my microphone is working. So if your microphone is not working, there will be no green circle here. So if I stop, now as you can see, the green circle is here. So if you have to find that your microphone is working not, just go to the settings option here, then go down and find the voice and video option here. Click on it, and here make sure your input device is the microphone that you're using here. So if you just toggle that off, and you will find your microphone here. So choose the microphone that you want to use here. But for me, I'm using the default version here, which is my laptop microphone here. So I'm just choosing the default here. And also make sure your input volume is higher here. And if you want to test your mic, so click on let's check. Hello. As you can see, your microphone is working. If microphone is not working, there will be no line in this detection here. And also remember to turn on the voice activity here. So if you turn on push to talk here, just turn on the voice activity here, or it will not work the microphone here. And also automatically determine input sensitivity. So it will determine your sensitivity of microphone here. So just turn that on here. And if you go down, to turn on all the settings here, open H24 and hardware acceleration, Avion video codec, and echo cancellation. So just turn all the settings here. So if this not working for you, just go to the right corner here in the, if you're Windows 11 or Windows 10, you will find a speaker option here. Right click on it and click on open sound settings here. After opening the sound settings, you will see output and input here. So let's check if your input audio or the microphone is chosen here, and also test your microphone option here, as you can see. And let's go to the sound control panel here. In the right corner, as you can see, there's sound control panel. And here you have to go to the recording option and make sure your microphone is connected here and it's enabled here. So just right click on it. And if you have disable option here, that means your microphone is enabled here. So if I just click disable, and microphone is now enabled here. So if that is not working for you, you can just disable and enable it. It will just restart the microphone for you. And just right click on it again, go to the properties and go to the listen option here. Sorry, the level option here, and make sure your microphone is have the higher volume here. And also you can use the microphone boost here. Then go to the enhancement and don't check the disable all sound effects here. Go to the advanced and make sure you have chosen all the settings here, so you can go one by one. I have only two options here. And go to the listen option here, then you can just click on it to listen to your device if it's working or not. And this is all the settings you need to do here. So if these all settings don't working for you, just plugged out and plug in again the microphone here, or you can just check your microphone in other devices here, so it's working or not. So if the microphone is not broken or something here. So that's it guys, this is how you can fix your microphone in the Discord here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.